Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a second video from the 10 video series about the SwiftUI loaders. So here we go. This one is called, let's call it expanding rings loader. Let me show you. We have to define the variable for animating state. So after complete this amazing thing, it gives us a lot of free time. So here we have ZStack, and we will have a circle circle with stroke. Let's say it is blue with opacity, and the opacity will be changed depending on the animating flag. So if it's animating, then we will use 0.1, else 0.8, let it be here, and line widths, let it be 3. Yes, so here we have this. Now let's have a smaller frame, and if animation is running, then we will have like a pulsing changing from smaller to bigger frame. So we will have widths depending on animating flag, and it will be, let it be, I don't know, 60, and and if it is not animating, then 20. So the same for height. Else 20. Now let's separate it into a few lines. And the same for color. Now we add a scale effect, and it will be like this. For animation, the scale effect will be 1.5, and if it is and there is no animation, then scale effect leaves object as is. And we add animation, we define the ease out animation with a duration 1 second, and we set it repeat forever with after reverse auto reverses flag false, and we set the value as our state flag is animating. And now, in order to run our animation loader. We just need to change the animating flag in on appear. Is animating, and we set it to true. And here we go. This is simple but yet very beautiful, as for me, loading animation. So use it for your needs. You can modify it, add something else, change your color, add more flags, and so on and so forth. Hopefully this will be useful for you. Yeah. Bye.